2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player, compass, fog lights, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.